Hi, I'm Dr. Desiree Edlin, Clinic Director of Orange County Back and Body Doctors. One thing that I commonly see in my practice is stressed out patients. Stress is everywhere, and what most people don't realize is that if your body is working at an optimum level, you won't actually notice the effects of stress as much as somebody who has a nervous system that may be not working quite as well. So what we do at OC Back and Body Doctors is we evaluate the complete nervous system. And we use this by specialized advanced technological nerve system scanning, which will see how well is your nervous system working with your external environment. There's different kinds of stress. There's emotional, there's physical, and biochemical stress. Emotional stress could be family stress, finances, work, job-related type stress. And that can definitely affect your health if your nervous system's not working as well as it should be. Biochemical types of stress include diet and also what you breathe and drink on a daily basis. Unfortunately, we have so many chemicals in our foods, and our food is very processed, and the American diet is very acidic. We tend to eat a lot of sugars and a lot of carbohydrates and a lot of processed foods. So these are all stressors to our nervous system and to our body. Now, the third type of stress is the physical stress, and that typically is from poor posture, such as computer work, sitting in traffic all day. Other types of physical stress may include injuries, sports injuries, car accidents, fender benders, slip and falls, etc. These are also additional stresses that can actually affect your overall health and wellness. So the better that your nervous system is functioning, and that's what the doctors here at OC Back and Body Doctors specialize in, the better that your body's going to be able to deal and adapt to that stress. Because one of the most common questions that I get from patients are, why is this stress affecting me now when it didn't a year or 2 years or many years ago? And that's usually a red flag showing that the body is just not functioning as well as it should be, and it's not able to adapt to that stress as well as it did several years ago. So give our office a call and we'll do a complete stress evaluation, and we'll see whether we can help you to be able to deal and adapt to that stress in a much healthier way with our natural and non-invasive therapies.
My name is Tanya, and I am from Minnesota, actually. I moved out here a year ago, and I've been coming to OC Back and Body for 6 months. And I can honestly say in 6 months, OC Back and Body has done more for me than 11 years of medication and doctor's visits combined. Well, I came here because I was referred for physical therapy, and I'd been suffering from chronic back pain for about 20 years now. And the physical therapy helped a lot, and then I started getting adjustments, and the adjustments were helping. But more importantly is when I sat down with Dr. Edlin, she was the first chiropractor to actually tell me that I had scoliosis, and I had been seeing chiropractors for 11 years, and no one had mentioned that to me. And so then it all made sense as to why my hips were always out and the rest of my back was always out, why I had headaches. I came here with headaches every day. I've had headaches every day since 2002. I was in 2 car accidents that year. It was a pretty bad year. And I suffered some severe spinal injuries, and since then I had headaches daily. Now that I've been coming here for 6 months, my headaches are about 1 to 2 a week, which is really good. Really, really good. It's a great improvement. I also saw their nutritionist, Al, who is wickedly smart. For 13 years I've been suffering from IBS syndrome, and Al found out that I'm allergic to gluten, and that I'm basically allergic to most of the food I was eating. So I totally changed my diet around and got that settled, and he put me on supplements, and I started feeling better because I also suffer chronic fatigue due to hepatitis C, and so that's probably the worst symptom that I do suffer is fatigue. definite fatigue. And Dr. Edlin mentioned that I may have adrenal fatigue, and she had recommended I take a certain, it's called Adrenal Restore, and I take that. So I take that daily along with other supplements. And basically my goal is to get off medication and just, you know, take what I need the healthy way. Besides the chronic fatigue, I also have kidney failure, and it was in stage 3 actually when I came here. And I started drinking alkaline water because I heard that, you know, all these great things about alkaline water, and Al had referred me to a alternative medicine doctor who told me to take renal supplement pills, and I started taking those with the alkaline water, and it cleared up in 2.5 months. So now I can say I do not have kidney failure anymore. I went from stage 3 to non-existent, which my doctors are just dumbfounded that any herbal supplement in a natural way can heal the body. I would recommend that everyone come here and to take control of your own health and look into alternative ways for health, because they're out there, and I'm living proof of that.
Hi there, I'm Dr. Desiree Edlin, Clinic Director for Orange County Back and Body Doctors. One of the most advanced therapies that we're using today that I'm very excited to share with you is called Class 4 laser. Class 4 laser is used for people who have pain, inflammation, tendinopathies, injuries, neuralgias, or even just scar tissue and bone spurs. What the laser therapy does is it actually uses specific frequencies of light, infrared light, that actually penetrate deep down to the cellular level, and they'll actually increase the ATP production, which is the cell's energy, and therefore inducing a healing response that's much faster than the body healing on its own. We treat our patients with the Class 4 laser for anything from neck pain, carpal tunnel, shoulder problems, hip problems, knee problems, or just low back pain. So the effects and the healing responses that are as a result of this laser therapy are numerous. And we see patients get better a lot faster than with just the traditional therapies themselves. Many patients ask me, is laser therapy safe? And it absolutely is. It is FDA approved, and it is a painless procedure. The positive effects of laser therapies are numerous. Some patients will feel the effects after one visit, and other patients might need anywhere from 10 to 15 sessions. But because of this fast-acting advanced therapy, we can help a multitude of different patients that range from neck pain, carpal tunnel, headaches, knee injuries, ankle problems, neuropathies, scar tissue, inflammation, chronic pain. As I can say, it can go on forever. The Class 4 laser that we use in our office is called the K-laser. In fact, a lot of pro athletes use this very specific laser for their sports injuries. In fact, I was just watching an HBO program, Hard Knocks, just the other day, and they showed an NFL football player getting treatment with the K-laser for a problem with his foot and ankle. So give our office a call and see whether or not Class 4 laser may be a benefit for you and help you with some of your symptoms that you may be experiencing.